Morning. As we near the new year, we can begin to look back at the year that was 2024. Our Candace Hare recently spoke with Ohio Attorney General Dave Yost about some of the most notable events involving his office this year. Candace joins us now live. And Candace, a lot of people talking about this one. What did he have to say about the Browns' possible move to Brook Park?
Good morning, David. It certainly is a topic that's been on everyone's mind the last couple of months. So I asked Dave Yost about his office's involvement in some of the legal aspects of this situation between the Browns and between the city of Cleveland. And here's how he broke things down. So essentially what he told me is that the Browns went to federal court asking the court to set up some parameters around the Modell Law. He tells me that as the state's main lawyer, he essentially said, if you're going to argue about our state law, then we should have a seat at the table. Court records show this was granted and that Yost's office intends to defend the constitutionality of the Modell Law. At the same time, he says conversations between state and local leaders, as well as Brown's leadership and other interested parties, continues. But of course, much of the discussion right now, it is surrounding the Modell Law, one which Yost tells me is intended to protect local residents.
People who live in Cleveland are part of the state of Ohio, too, and they're the folks that are intended to be protected by this. What are you going to do with that stadium if the Browns leave? Yeah, I mean, it's not as though we're going to put a Walmart in there or something. There's a lot of public interest here, and I think that we will see a lot of interesting arguments made over the coming months.
Now, the next deadline on this back and forth is January 15th. Keep that date in mind, David. That is the deadline for the city to respond to the Browns' revised complaint. Yeah, back to you.
Candace, we know this is a fight that is certainly in the beginning stages. We appreciate you. We'll check back in here in just a little bit.